Welcome to my recap with live trades. I hope you enjoyed this content. Today was a losing day, minus about 2.21%, which is $120 in my account. So it's not the end of the world. But anyways, so first trade at Tesla, I went to grab one and then one more, and I accidentally went one and then two. So I was in three contracts, wasn't expecting it, and I just wasn't mentally prepared. So I immediately freak out, kind of crappy because the trade ended up working and I made money on it, but only like $20 instead of like 300 or so. So let's get to it. First trade, Tesla here. The market's about to open. We open right now, and 6 seconds later, I'm going to take an enter. 1, 2, 3, right there. Just boom, boom, and I get out two of them real quick for a loss. I'm down about $90 or 110 right there actually, and I'm about to sell on the ask. Sell on the ask there 425. So for 335 to 425, so $90 would have been per contract, $170. But I didn't, and if I would have prepared, I could have scaled out 1, 2, 3, like in a proper way, like instead of how I did it, which was, oh crap, I'm in 3. It's Friday, premium's gonna drop. And I saw the underlying price start going down, and I just didn't want to risk that much. So, anyways, next trade is on. So I'm up $19. Anyways, next trade is on Boeing. Boeing here, we kind of sell off. We're right above prior day's high. I thought this had room to go, and I was playing. This is not really a pattern, but I was just playing this, anticipating a high day break. So my first error was just getting in when that's not one of my setups. Buying down to lows here around prior day's close, which is a pink line, would have been good. Buying some sort of a reversal as soon as I seen buyers coming in, but I didn't do that. So now I got to sit to this, which could be a W pattern, and so I'm looking to get out of this position shortly here. Yeah, I had no reason to get in this trade. Thankfully, it's only one contract. Yeah, so I hit the bid right there, one contract, down $11. Next trade's on Boeing. So see, it sort of made a W like it's doing right now, and then I'm gonna play this pivot break here. Actually, I'm playing this descending trend line break. So I got in as soon as that trend line broke. Now, ideally, target is that pivot, but I just want to see what it does at the pivot. Especially being only size 1 contract, I'm not really, doesn't make sense to take it at that pivot. So I either should have sized up or, um, I got to give it room to work. Buyers are stepping up. What I'd like to see, we're getting towards high day. I put an order out on the ask. Get filled. So I was trying to cancel it there for a second. I was going to throw another one on the ask, which would have been cool. I would have got filled higher. But so, anyways, I'm up 0.60%. Next trade is on Tesla. So Tesla was inside the prior day's range. Like this yellow dash line's prior day's high, pink dash line's prior day's close. And then, we have the lows and the highs here. So see what we do here. So I'm about to get chopped up in Tesla. So I'm playing the break of this pivot, an ABCD pattern here. And I'm playing with, because prior day's highs right there. What does it do? It breaks the ABC pattern, confirms the ABC, and then it just sort of dies down. There's definitely a lot of like prints between the bid and ask coming through, like heavy, and then I'll see red. Not a lot of green. I want to see a lot of various green colors. Like I have a couple different green shades that'll come through depending on if it's on the ask or above ask. And I like to see that. I like to see the real bright green, so I get out there for a small loss. um, I like to see bright green because that shows that buyers are stepping in, people are hitting market orders, all that. So now Tesla's sort of doing this little bear flag kind of. So I look to play this here. Looking at a 650 put. I get in one 650 put, 516 is my cost. It's kind of doing that thing where it's not really going down. We got prior days high right above. Like this isn't going down like I wanted to. It's not going up, but it's looking like it wants to squeeze maybe. I just got out. I don't like that hammer candle action. I mean, yeah, it might have been just a shakeout, whatever, but I don't want to sit through this. Premium's already 415. I got in at 515. That would have been down $100. Isn't that much, but the next trade's on Tesla. So we're back at these little pivots here that lead to prior day's high. I get in 1655 call. Just start stuffing at prior day's high. I'm thinking, crap, I just keep taking L's. I'm down over almost 1.5%. Definitely now down over 1.5% because I'm down on this trade. This isn't. My browser just, or my platform had a little glitch there. So I got out there at 412, so $52 I lost on that one. Next trade. So I had another trade on Tesla or two, but they were just like basically scratch trades. I'm down 2.80% at this point, $154. And I take Tesla. Tesla's kind of doing this little flag or whatever you want to call this. We got higher lows or lower highs. I'm sorry, higher lows. Anyways, so I'm gonna play a 655 call. No real good reason. I mean, it just at the time I thought, oh, maybe it's gonna go up. Maybe they're gonna quit playing games, and maybe buyers are gonna step in, even though it's Friday, and obviously the volume is lower and the action is just not good. It's more manipulative today. I don't know what I was thinking. What I was thinking is I'm down a little bit and I want to try to get that money back. So it's not healthy thinking. So we got this resistance up here, and if we can break it, then there's room to the upside. I mean, at least till that blue trend line, but if we can break above that, we got room to the upside. So I don't know. That's what I was thinking, but it's not looking good so far in this trade. I really shouldn't be in at this point. I'm kind of holding and hoping. I was using that 8 AMA, which is a great line or a gray line there. I was using that as my stop area, but I really, as soon as it went below that prior candle, I should have been out. That's going by my strategy, so it's like I should listen to it, especially on a Friday with premiums leading so fast, with data just killed, real fast. acting like it wants to go, but then it's being held down. So all that red come through on the tape. It's like no Momo, no velocity. It's just not doing what I wanted to do. It's starting to getting to the top of the resistance line here. Contracts are hardly moving because it's moving so slow. So it should have been my cue to get out, to be honest. Oh, doesn't look like it wants to go higher. I mean, I was at resistance. I kind of, in hindsight, I really should have got out there, but I didn't. So now I'm down, not down a lot. It's not the end of the world, but got to stick to my plan. I have to. There we go. So I get out there, and actually, I don't think I got out. I accidentally clicked that side watch tab, and I didn't understand what the heck happened. So now I'm gonna get out. Loaded it back up. I didn't realize that what I'd done, but yeah, I mean, it's like it's down enough to where it's almost like I should see if it bounces off that blue support line. If you extend it out to the right. But I think I just get out here. Yeah, when it like right at support basically, VWAP and everything. I was just emotional in that trade, even though it wasn't like a huge loss. But I'm down almost 4%, 3.71%, $204. See if I can pull out of this somehow, somewhat at least. So we're down 204 there. I had a winning trade and then like a losing trade. Now I'm down 2.88%. Tesla is approaching prior day's high. I'm in one. Here we get the break. I like that. Tape speeding up. Sell orders coming through. We got some green coming in. I like that. It's kind of holding up here, but not over yet. Can push through these sell orders right here. Well, the supply, then there's room to go. I'm out of that trade. I've been out of that trade for a while, so I don't understand. Like 30 seconds. My bad. I'm sitting here watching it like I'm in the trade. I'm going like, why would I sell there? I guess I sold at that resistance. So 46. I made 15 bucks. So yeah, that's a false. Would have been nice to still be in. It looks like it's still gonna go, but yeah, it would have been a little bit more money. Even though it's all smoker change, really, it's hard. Sometimes hard to get money on Friday. So I'm down. Okay, so for some reason I recorded the wrong trade. So Okay, so Roku trade, I guess. Yeah, I screwed this thing up. But anyways, I just had to restart DOS. I was redoing my whole platform and everything. I'm gonna quit using interactive brokers to do executions. I'm gonna do them through DOS Trader, which I use for charts and all that, tape and stuff. But I was dialing it all in. I spent like 2 hours doing it. That's why I'm late on this video. And then DOS just crashed. So I gotta redo it all. I didn't save it. So I'm frustrated about that. So last trade Roku here, which I might not even have recorded. So I have it on the options chain here. See, I buy at support. The upper middle part here, so you can see there was support, this consolidation for 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 minutes. I buy there at support, and then it's make like $30 in the trade. I sell there. I was in at 183, sold at 211 real quick. Friday afternoon, a few hours before market closes on same day expiration. I'll take what I can get. So there's where I ended. Minus 120, minus 2.19%. Not too bad. It was worse. I mean, I was down almost 4%. So got almost half of it back. So thankfully, I appreciate you watching, and yeah, I look forward to showing you my new DOS setup. With it's gonna look different screen here. I'm gonna have to go redo it again, but looking forward to you seeing it. Take care. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and great trading next week. Goodbye.